Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use collagen jelly. First, always check your product's label for specific instructions on serving size and how often to consume it. Most collagen jellies come in convenient individual packets, making them easy to use. Also, ensure you store your collagen jelly properly, usually in a cool, dry place, until you're ready to enjoy it. This preparation ensures you get the most from your product. Consuming collagen jelly is simple and enjoyable. You can easily tear open an individual packet and squeeze the jelly directly into your mouth for a quick and convenient boost. If you prefer, you can also mix the jelly into a cold beverage, like water or a smoothie, or even stir it into yogurt. It's a versatile supplement that fits easily into your daily routine, offering a pleasant texture and taste. To get the most out of your collagen jelly, consistency is truly key. Incorporate it into your daily routine, perhaps at the same time each day, to help your body utilize its benefits effectively. Remember that collagen jelly works best as part of a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle, including adequate hydration. If you have any underlying health conditions or concerns, always speak with a healthcare professional first. Proper storage ensures your collagen jelly remains fresh and effective. Keep unopened packets in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Once you open a packet, it's best to consume it promptly, or if you save a portion, refrigerate it and finish it within 1 day. For more great tips and to discover other fantastic deals, including how to bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.